Push the button in, put it in gear. You always want to put it in solid because if you don't want those gears grinding. So. Get it up on plane. When you're on the trailer, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, if you're putting it on the trailer, make sure before you pull the boat up that that's raised all the way up. And I'll show you that, but there's two positions on that. You'll feel it click because they really have actually a tilt and a trim. The tilt is when you want to go all the way up in trailer mode. The trim is just when you're out on the water trying to get more speed. So the trim is shorter than the tilt. Ready? That right there is why you have a booster or a bolster, so that you can see over the bow when it comes up, because the bow raises. So trying not to make it too bouncy. And that's really not halfway, that's really more only because of that really is specifically for trim, not for tilt necessarily, but see how much better this thing rides than a lot of the smaller boats against these rough water.